Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create and put the numbering side by side. You can create a particular points by numbering here, and also the inside also we can create the same numbering points by using this method. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Just a table option, need to insert 1 into 2 table here like this, okay, so but not here. So you just enter the new spacing and click on the table, click on insert a 1 by 2 table. Now you just need to copy this entire, copy the entire thing, then just paste here, Ctrl V, and also paste here, Ctrl V. So now you can see the numbers has been continuous. So you just click here and go to the home option here, click on the move and click on restart numbering. Automatically numbers has restarted, and here you just need to click on the option to click on the more numbering option here, and click on list numbering to the restart the numbering, and click OK. Now you can see the number has started from 1 to 6. Here you can be side by side. So how to change this? So just click on the table, right click on here, you can see the table properties option here, and then just go to the border and shading option here. Just click here, then you just need to select the color. You can see it's on the automatic. You just select to white and click OK. Now you can see the table border has been gone, and your bulleting like a points has been, numbering points has been on the side by side. By this method you can use and create the numbering side by side. I think you had a clear idea about this, and if it is helped to you, like this video, share this video with your friends, to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Word, just follow our next video. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful